know that we have completed our second lesson, 5-year plans, its achievement and goals. Now I am proceeding the next lessons, features, policies of Indian agriculture, and the problems, problems and policies of Indian agriculture. As you know that in 1950, when the economic planning was established under the uh, chairmanship of Professor P.C. Mahalbonis, the first 5-year plan was established in 1951. The main objective of this first 5-year plan was to the agriculture development. I have already told you that all the 5-year plans, some short terms objective and some long terms objectives. Long terms objectives are the same of all the plans, but the short terms objective are different. So in first 5-year plan, the short terms objective was to the agriculture development. At that moment, agriculture sector was the very core sector of our economy because 70% of our population directly or indirectly depend on the agriculture. Till date, in 2020, agriculture sector is the very important sector of our economy. Directly or indirectly, all the our economy depends on the agriculture sectors. So our chapter is that features, drawbacks and the policies of agriculture sectors in Indian economy. So firstly, I will discuss about the features of Indian agriculture. Number one, a great contribution to the GDP of our agriculture sectors. Number two, main source of the international trade. Number three, main source of the our internal business. Number four, a source of employment. Number fifth, all the economic depends on the agriculture sector. Number sixth, agriculture sector is the base point of transport sector. So there are many features of agriculture sector in Indian economy. Our 70% population depended directly or indirectly on our agriculture sectors. Our international trade is also depends on our agriculture. Our national trade also depend on the agriculture sectors. Employment depend so much on our agriculture sector. So all our economy directly or indirectly depend on the agriculture sectors. You know that without agriculture sectors we cannot imagine our economy should be grow and development. So students, try to understand now. Today I will give you only the one question, is that what are the main features of Indian agriculture? This is a very good question for you. भारतीय कृषि की क्या क्या विशेषताएं हैं, आपको ये बताना है मुझे आज अपने आंसर में। और आप इसका ब्रॉडली आंसर लिखेंगे बच्चों, शॉर्टकट आंसर ना लिखें, बहुत विस्तार से लिखें, क्योंकि इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेवलपमेंट में ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आप अपने विचार व्यक्त करें। मैं आपको सिर्फ हिंट करूंगा, यहाँ पर हमें ब्लैक बोर्ड की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी क्योंकि ये थ्योरेटिकल पेपर है। मैं आपको हिंट दूंगा, आपको अपने विचार मुझे देने हैं और लॉन्ग आंसर लिख के दिखाने हैं, शॉर्ट आंसर नहीं लिखने हैं। मैं आपको हेडिंग भी बताऊंगा, बट यू शुड ट्राई टू बी एलोबरेट योर आइडियाज। सो टुडे आई एम कंक्लूडिंग दिस टॉपिक ओनली द फीचर्स ऑफ इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर्स। मैं आज सिर्फ आपको यहाँ पे ले आकर छोड़ रहा हूँ कि भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था, भारतीय कृषि व्यवस्था की क्या विशेषताएं थी। प्लीज़ आप मुझे इसका आंसर शाम तक लिख के दिखाइए। सो हैव ए गुड डे, थैंक यू वेरी मच।